That one back there laying on his back. They're really learning. There you go, Woodstock. Yeah, see, their heads are so wide. Hey, beautiful guys. Hey. Hey, good mama. You're so good. No. They're so cute. Woodstock. Our puppy sure is playful right now. Look, little Snoopy on his back. So cute. Hello, little Snoopy. Hello. It's so cute. Hi, Snoopy. And now you look like your mama. When your mama was a puppy, she did that too. Oh my god, you're extra colorful tonight. She's gonna chew on her own hand. And now you look like your mama. When your mama was a puppy, she did that too. Butterfly head sleeping on the nipples. I'm sleeping here because when I wake up I want breakfast right away. Our puppy's nuzzling his mommy. That's so cute. So cute. Woodstock chooses the challenging way. Like if getting a mama was a video game, he picks the most challenging level. And our puppy's over there kissing mama. They're so sweet. I really don't think there's any sweeter animal than a baby basset. Well, baby bassets and beagles, very similar. Very sweet. See how much he looks like Snoopy from behind? He's gonna have freckles too. What did I say? As soon as Butterfly Head woke up, he wanted his breakfast immediately. Instant breakfast, huh, Butterfly Head? People showing a lot of interest in you, Butterfly Head. So cute. Oh, our puppy's whining. He wants somebody to play with him. I think Sissy's tired, sweetheart. And take a quick nap. I know. I know. She'll play with you later.